I hope so. Be here. Already we are into real estate. I see dying, and I drew by B. I say, yeah, dear members, you know, I can't. You man, you know. I decided say, 10 blocks. I am a tall na medici my dino. I didn't know me because I mean creating something like this, like a block factory. I am because I bit me the specification. I pay high quality. I bit me a chat. Nti dumasia your factory bi o ha ye nwuma ye wo dumasia nyina no na ye de ye and we've seen say materials no ye high grade make can blocks aya ye de ye nwuma no nti say e won kran ha so ye bi factory ni bi o ha ya ye twa blocks ni bi ye de ye dwuma ye but I feel say your members do na so wa kwantu mu a at times e bi kura woni ha o si obi into blog no mo van ko ye de enkosi dan ma no many a times no be say blocks na ya turn your papa blocks no anya papa because we ni ha nti ya to bibi akeke ne bo na efu e da ya mo see your members so ehia say ombenya blocks because say machines no the capacity ne was ro nti ye betumi aserve your members aka ho nti e bia wo ye transformation member na wo pese wo sifie na wo pe blocks a you try 5 inches you try 6 inches you try 5 inches hollow and you try 6 inches hollow and it's central pavement blocks e de ka ho na we no ye mfa anwea enka ho e corridors nko a any 38 and ye de nti ye blocks no e concrete so say the wasifie na waye pillar na e concrete na blocks ni nyina ate in fact the price is far better than omo ye nchen nyina na ye wie so a utododo a ye say am free delivery aka ho nti ye feel say so we will be a member na say we here blocks obetumi a contact here there number there o contact here ya we car ye betumi a supply e the amount nti ye ntwa sand wa ha ye mfa anwea entwa bibia nti oba ha obon say ye ni anwea wa ha because I don't want us to even have anwea here say be a mistakenly obetumi a mix it no ye the corridors nko a ene 38 no ene etwa and a cement is you use 32.5 you use only 42.5 nko a nti the more nso ni go blocks no so no the more and ne ho ye den